Today, let's learn on how to add people on the Monopoly Go on the iPhone. So if you are struggling to add people and you are using the iPhone, then don't worry. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the Monopoly Go game, just like this. After opening the app, you will see something like this on your home screen. Now, to add people, tap onto Friends option at the bottom just right here. Tap on it. Then here you can find the Add Friends option. Now to add people, simply tap onto Invite option just right here. And then you can invite the people to accept your friend request from the link just right here or from your Facebook ID from right here. Now choose one, or you can simply add the people by inviting them from just right here. Now tap onto Invite just like this. And after they accept it, you can add the people and you will be friends. And that's it. This is how you can add people on the Monopoly Go on the iPhone. It is a very easy process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.